Today is all about responding to feedback from the local community. So businesses have told us how hard they've been hit by COVID, by frequent flooding, by the traffic disruption, and they're worried that that's keeping visitors away from Matlock. So to respond to that feedback, we've hosted this wonderful opportunity. As you can see, lots of people enjoying today, and that is to bring visitors to Matlock so that they can shop locally, enjoy the award-winning Hawleys Park, and understand a little bit more about flood risk and why we're doing all of this.